Arun's yoga class starts from 7th August and finishes on 23rd August. Here is not given. If every Saturday is a holiday, then for how many days does he go to yoga class in that month? Here is the calendar given, children. August month, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So every Saturday is a holiday. So let's circle up. He goes on August 7th till 23rd August. Let's count the number of days he went to yoga classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So he went to yoga classes for 15 days. Let's check with the options. Option A 14 wrong, option B 13 wrong, option C 50. Correct. So 10th one, Vinay is facing towards fruit shop. If he makes 1/4 turn clockwise, then 1/2 turn anti-clockwise, then he will be facing towards dash. Here is a figure given: temple, bank, fruit shop, bus stop, mosque, mountain, church, hotel. So where is Vinay standing? Facing towards fruit shop. So Vinay is facing towards the fruit shop. He turns clockwise 1/4 turn. This is 1/4 turn, children. From here, he takes anti-clockwise direction, half turn. This is the half turn, children. 1/2, anti-clockwise, reverse direction. So now where is the position of Vinay? Mosque. So mosque is our correct answer, children. A, temple wrong, B, church wrong, C, bus stop wrong, D, mosque. Mosque is our correct answer. Mathematical reasoning, second section. 11th one, who among the following holds the greatest value? Here are the Roman numerals given on the figures. So let's quickly find out the greatest value. C 100, 50, 10, 160. Total is 160, children. D 500, C 100, C 100 means 500, 600, 700. 700 L is 50. This is 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40, children. 500, 600, 700, 740. L is nothing but 50, children. CM is nothing but 900. M is 1000 minus 100, 900. 900 L is 50, 950. This 960. 60 plus 9, 969, children. Okay. PQR, which is having the greatest value. R is having the greatest value, that is 969. So our answer is option A, Q wrong, option B wrong, option C, R is our correct answer, children. Right? 12th one, what fraction of the given figure is unshaded? Let's count total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our denominator is 15, children. Okay. They are asking us to find out the unshaded. So half, 1, 1.5, half 2, 3. Let's write this is of 1. This is also half 1. Okay. So 1.5, 2, 3, 3.5, 4.5, of 5, 5.5, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 9, of here 10. So 10 by 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So our answer is 2 by 3, children. A, wrong option. B, wrong option. C, wrong option. Option D, 2 by 3 is our correct answer, children. 13th one, which of the following is a closed figure? This is a spiral. This is having opening over here. This is having opening over here. This is a closed figure. So option C is our correct answer. 14th one, compare and fill the box using greater than, less than or equal to symbols. So 15 kg 105 grams plus 7 kg 900 grams, 18 kg 700 grams plus 950 grams. Let's quickly add these weights and compare between these two numbers or weights. Okay. 15 kg 1 kg is equal to, let's write over here, 1 kg is nothing but 1000 grams, children. 15 kg is nothing but 15 into 1000, 1000, 15,000, sorry, plus 105 is nothing but 15,105, children, plus 7 kg is nothing but 7,000. 7,000 plus 900 is nothing but 7,900, children. Let's add these two numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2, children. Okay. Now 18 kg is nothing but 18,000 plus 700 is nothing but 18,700 plus 950 grams. Now 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 0 is 1, children. 90,650. So what side do we write over here? It's greater than symbol. So option A is our correct answer, children. Directions 15 to 16. The given bar graph shows the number of students who took part in a relay race from different sections of class 4. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. How many less students participated in relay race from section B than section C and D together? So let's write numbers over here. 5, 8, this is 9, children, and this is 4, children. This is, sorry, this is 5. So we have written the number of students participated from each sections: A5, B8, C9, D4, E5. So quickly see how many students participated from section C and D. C is 9 plus 4, 13. And from section B, how many children? 8. 13 minus 8 is nothing but 5. So our answer is option A, 5. What is the fraction of number of students participated from section E to the total number of students participated? From section E is 5, children. Total number of students participated from all the sections: 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 4, 26. 26 plus 5 is 31. Anyhow, in the two options, denominators are same, 31, 31. So option A, 4 by 15, wrong. Option B, 26 by 31, wrong. Option C, 5 by 31 is our correct answer. 17th one, the sum of 5,462 and 3,258 when each number is rounded off to the nearest hundreds is. Let's quickly add these two numbers, children. 2 plus 8, 10. 1 carry. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Carry. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 8,720. Now, let's round off ones place, tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands place, children. So, if we are supposed to round off to the nearest hundreds, we are supposed to compare tens digit. So 5 is, so 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So it's been rounded off to 0, 0, 7 and 8. Okay, children. 9010 wrong. Option B 8800 wrong. Option C 8700 is our correct answer, children. Find the perimeter of the given figure. 18th one. If we are supposed to find out the perimeter of a irregular shape, is nothing but we are supposed to add all the sides, children. Sum of all the sides is nothing but perimeter. Let's quickly count the sides. Each side is 3 centimeters. So first find out the number of sides given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 sides. Each side is 3 centimeters. So we are supposed to multiply 2 3s are 6. 0 into 3 0. 60 centimeters. Our answer is 60 centimeters, children. Option A 50 centimeters wrong. Option B 45 centimeters wrong. Option C 40 centimeters wrong. Option D 60 centimeters is our correct answer, children. The weight of each of the 6 identical cubes is. It's clearly mentioned over here that we have 6 identical cubes. So 6 identical cubes is equal to how much, children? 500 grams plus 500 grams 1000. 1000 plus 500 grams is 1500 grams. Okay, 1500 grams, 6 cubes. So for 1 cube, 1c is nothing but how much, children? 1500 divided by 1500 divided by 6. How much? Let's find out, children, in a regular manner. 6 2s are 12, minus 5 minus 2 is 3. So take zeros. 6 5s is exactly divisible. So take 2 zeros. 6 5s are 30. 6 zeros are 0. Minus 3 minus 3 is 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 3 minus 3 is 0. So our answer is 250 grams. So option A is our correct answer, 250 grams.